Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, walk you through step-by-step process of signing out from your Gmail account using your Android phone. So to start, this is my Android phone. First, to sign in, click on Gmail app on your Android phone, then log in with your email and password. After logging in, on the right top corner, click on Profile Picture. Click on Manage Accounts in this device. Then choose the email that you want to remove from your Android phone. This is the email, then I click on it. After that, I click on remove. To remove or sign out from my Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to for more information. In the description, click on link to the post to find more information on how you can log out from your Gmail using your Android phone. Thank you.